All right, as the Delhi AQI remains very poor, the BJP has now written to the Delhi LG. Now, the BJP's letter to the LG has been accessed. The BJP has asked for the LG to declare a health emergency in the national capital because of the poor air quality. Also asking for schools to be shut in the national capital because the children are going to be the worst affected. Now, the quality of air in the national capital has worsened. You're looking at these visuals on your screens. Mohit Bhatt is joining us over the phone line with the details. Mohit, letter being written by the BJP to the Delhi LG, and the BJP has asked for a health emergency to be declared based on how toxic the air has gotten.
Well, in fact, and we know for a fact that how the air quality index in Delhi, if you see the overall index, it's in the very poor category. It was severe day before yesterday, but it's still in very poor category, which is very, very dangerous. There is a smog that has engulfed the whole Delhi NCR, and people are grasping for breath. Now, the health experts have also stated that it's a health emergency, and every year we see that these kind of things happening. Now, what the Delhi BJP president has done is that he has written a letter to the LG of Delhi, VK Saxena, and basically he has stated, given the fact that how the air quality index in Delhi is in very poor category and it's going to the severe category, the schools should be shut down because it's very dangerous for the students in this kind of poor air quality to go out of their homes, and hence the online closed class should be implemented. We also know for a fact that our BJP national spokesperson R.P. Singh also wrote to VK Saxena, the LG of Delhi, and stated that a health emergency should be invoked in Delhi because in Delhi is really a gas chamber today. The air quality index has gone into very poor.
Let's take a look at that letter because there's a lot of politics around it as well. Remember, just this morning, the Aam Aadmi Party minister had also come out and given a certificate to the government saying despite a lot of efforts that we have taken, the UP and the Haryana government need to work. Kitty Bell is joining us on the broadcast with the details of that letter to the LG that we've accessed.
Well, yes, Pratibha, the situation in the national capital, as we know, is quite worrisome because of the rising pollution levels here. The Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP continue to trade charges, and now the BJP is asking that the schools in the national capital must be closed for some time at least, because the pollution levels are continuously rising and there is no end to it at the moment. They are blaming the Aam Aadmi Party for the situation here in the national capital. This is a letter, as I'm showing to you here, which has been written by the Delhi BJP to the LG, in which the BJP, as it mentions, that दिल्ली में प्रदूषण के कारण स्कूली बच्चों के स्वास्थ्य पर असर को देखते हुए स्कूलों से छुट्टी कर घर से ही ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई के संदर्भ में ये पत्र लिखा जा रहा है. दिल्ली में भारी प्रदूषण के विषय में हम सभी चिंतित हैं. The BJP says that everybody is worried about the situation here in the national capital because of pollution. दिल्ली में लगातार प्रदूषण बढ़ रहा है और दिल्ली के लोग भारी संख्या में बीमार हो रहे हैं. People are falling sick because of the pollution in the national capital, and the situation is quite worrisome. पंजाब में जल रही पराली के कारण दिल्ली गैस चैम्बर में तब्दील हो रहा है. प्रदूषण के अति गंभीर श्रेणी में पहुंचने का सबसे ज्यादा असर बच्चों पर पड़ रहा है. What the Delhi BJP here is saying is that it's the children, it's the kids in the national capital who are mostly affected because of the rising pollution levels, and the Aam Aadmi Party government, the LG, the Aam Aadmi Party government, as they've been saying, is doing nothing about it. So they've written this letter to the LG asking for him to take some action. What they are now saying is that WHO की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक दिल्ली में हर 7वां व्यक्ति सांस की बीमारी से परेशान है और हर दूसरा बच्चा फिलहाल प्रदूषण संबंधी बीमारियों से ग्रसित है. ऐसे गंभीर प्रदूषण में बच्चों को खुले मैदानों पर या फिर घर से बाहर भेजना उन्हें बीमार कर रहा है. So the BJP here says, मेरा निवेदन है कि बच्चों को स्कूल से फिलहाल छुट्टी दे दी जाए और उन्हें घर से ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के माध्यम से पढ़ाया जाए. Well, we do understand that the hybrid mode of education was adopted just some time back, only during COVID period also, and this is not the first time that this is happening, of course, Pratibha. We've been seeing this continuously keeps happening in the national capital because of the toxic smog, the pollution levels in the national capital year after year. Well, such a situation has arisen, and schools are generally closed because of such reasons. At this time also, what the BJP here is saying that the LG now must act in this regard and take an action.
Absolutely. So this is the letter